Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the text box border so Word knows you mean the shape, not the text. Click once on the box edge. If you keep getting the cursor inside, press ESC and try again. Once the border is selected, the Drawing Tools or Shape Format tab appears. This is essential because those controls expose outline and fill settings. Make sure you see Shape Outline. This tells you that Word is ready to change or remove the visible line. Once the Format tab is active, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline to remove the line immediately. This is the quickest fix. If you prefer to modify instead, pick a color, weight, or dashes to make the border less visible. For advanced control, click More Lines to open the Format Shape pane, then adjust line color, transparency, and width. Increasing transparency toward 100% effectively hides the border while leaving the text box functional. If the outline won't go away, right-click the box and pick Format Shape to access the same outline controls through a dialog. Sometimes grouped elements retain borders, so ungroup them first. Legacy text boxes or pasted objects can carry a frame. To fix that, copy the text, insert a fresh text box, and paste plain text to avoid inherited formatting. If things still fail, clear formatting on the text and rebuild the box. That resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.